In this video tutorial, you will learn how to install WooCommerce in WordPress. WooCommerce WordPress plugin, when installed and set up, makes it very easy to extend the capacity of your website to support the sales of your products and services. WooCommerce takes away all the trouble of building an e-commerce platform. With it, a full-featured online store is literally a few clicks away. To install WooCommerce on your WordPress website, go to Plugins in your dashboard. Then click on Add New. In the search bar, type WooCommerce and press Enter. This is the plugin. Click on Install Now to start the installation. You can see that this plugin has a very good rating, and you can check here if it is compatible with your version of WordPress. When the installation is complete, this button changes to Activate. Click on it to activate the plugin. As soon as you click on Activate Plugin or Activate, the plugin brings up the WooCommerce Setup Wizard. This wizard is simply a 6-part form for you to set up your online store. The first thing you have to do is to enter your location. So after you're done entering your address, click on Continue. The next step is to enter the industry your store operates in. You can select from the options provided or select Others. Then click on Continue. This step depends on the industry you have. Since I choose Education and Learning, the product options I have are subscriptions and memberships, etc. You can select here if you sell physical products as well or not. Then click on Continue. Now, you have to enter some information about your business, like how many products do you plan to display. And do you have a store set up elsewhere too? Depending on the options you select, the plugin suggests some optional integrations. It all depends on you if you want to go forward with it or not. Then click on Continue. Here, you can select the theme of your store, whether you want to go forward with your WordPress theme, or you can choose the other themes the plugin suggests. For this tutorial, I will choose my active theme. And finally, this is an optional step to install Jetpack on your website. We suggest you skip this step. And that's it. This is how you can install WooCommerce in WordPress. That's it for today's video. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them in the comments section below. And if you like this video, please click on the like button. If you're new to our channel, hit the subscribe button and the bell icon so you don't miss any of our future videos. Thank you for watching and see you on the next one.